Assalamu alaikum all. I hope you all are doing very well. As you all know that I'm your teacher Ms. Jasba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. This is your grade 3 social studies recorded lecture in which we are going to do the copy work of our chapter Citizenship, Rights and Responsibilities. So, what we have discussed up till now, we have covered a lot of chapters before it, and the previous chapter that we covered was life in a Pakistani city, and we have done the question answers of almost 6 chapters we have covered. And after 6 chapter, the 12th chapter of your textbook, we are going to do the work of it. A little bit of explanation have been done in the live session, and the rest will continue in the live sessions as well and in physical classes too. And this is actually the question answers video which I am uploading a little bit earlier. So let's just move to our next part, which is the title page. Chapter Citizenship, Rights and Responsibilities. The spelling of citizenship and responsibility should be written very correctly. I know it's a little bit of a lot of with eyes, so it is a lot of eyes are coming in over here, so you will all get a little bit confused. This time I haven't attached any picture over here, but I want to see your creativity on the title pages as well. Not only that, I want you all to make the index of this chapter as well according to today's date. You will write today's date, name of today chapter, that citizenship, rights and responsibility, and then you will write today's date and question answers in the index. Moving to our main topic, that is question and answers. Topic is question and answers. You know the rule, you have to write it beneath the rule red lines. The date should be written on the left hand side. Mentioning date is very important, and CW on the right hand side. Now you can see that I am writing down the questions with the blue ink like this. What is citizenship? So it means that you need to write it with your blue color pencil. Pencil sharp honi chahiye, sharp your pencil, blue color pencil sharp your blue color pencils. Write down with proper neat and clean copy. I want really neat and clean and very good writing wali copy. So question number 1 is, what is citizenship? So the answer is, citizenship is actually the status of being a citizen. A citizen of a country have a right to live, work and vote. सिटीजन वो होता है जो किसी भी मुल्क का शहरी होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम सब पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं, वी आर द सिटीजन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान, हम पाकिस्तान के शहरी हैं. So citizenship means it's a status of being a citizen. It's a kind of a member, being a member of a community. And a citizen, एक country का जो होता है, he has the right to live, to work and to vote and to speak freely. With the freedom of speech, we can just do everything he wants, but not in the bad manner, in a good manner. So this is what a citizenship means. Number 2, describe 4 ways to be a citizen. How can we be a citizen? So the answer is, a person can be a citizen by 4 ways, which is explained in your book as well. That each and every country different offers, you have to different rules to offer citizenship to people living there. So these are the 4 ways to be a citizen. Number 1 is citizenship by birth, which is that if a person is being born on that country, he will get the citizenship of that country. Number 2, citizenship through parents. It means that the children may get the citizenship in a country if at least one of their parents was born or lived over there. Number 3 is citizenship by marriage, means people get citizenship of the country from where the actually spouse, means husband or wife, belongs to. Number 4, citizenship by immigration, means many countries offer their citizenship to people from other countries willing to migrate and settle over there. So these are the 4 ways so you can be a citizen. Citizenship by birth, through parents, by marriage and by immigration. Immigration spelling should be written very correctly, I-M-M-I-G-R-A-T-I-O-N, immigration. Question number 3, what is responsibility? Explain by giving an example. Alright, so here I gave the example of yours, that responsibility means a duty and obligation, means to do something you should do, means जो भी कोई चीज़ आपको करना हो, the commitment you have to do, the thing you have to do, it's your duty that you have to do. For example, Doing homework is your responsibility. आपका homework करना is आपकी responsibility. So this is what responsibility means. I gave a very small and very good example which is also explained in your book as well. It means that we can follow the rules by helping the community members, और मतलब we can do the things by doing all of these things अपनी responsibilities के साथ हम लोग अपना काम करें. So this is what it means to perform a duty or an obligation. Means doing homework is your responsibility, right? If I am explaining things to you when I'm giving you the work, so it's your responsibility to complete that thing on time and submit it to me. So this is what a responsibility means. Number 4, discuss any 3 basic human rights. अब human rights क्या होते हैं? So every person has his own human rights. हर इंसान का अपना human rights होते हैं. So first one is right to live and liberty. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि कोई भी कहीं पे भी रहता है उसको फ्रीडम, आज़ादी होनी चाहिए, और स्टेट उसकी सिक्योरिटी, उसकी हिफाजत की, उसकी सेफ्टी का रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन है? मुल्क. द कंट्री इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू प्रोवाइड यू द लाइफ, द सिक्योरिटी, टू द सेफ्टी. ये सब जो है वो एक कंट्री की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है किसी भी ह्यूमन को देने के लिए. Number 2 is freedom of thought and expressions. Means all human beings have the right to express their feelings. We all have equal right, whether if it's a Muslim, whether if it's a Hindu, whether if it's a Christian person living in a one country, we all have right to speak equally and express our way of thinking, our feelings, each and everything. Number 3 is equality among law. It means that all human beings have to be treated equally before law. यानी जब law आपका है तो ना कोई poor है ना कोई rich है उसमें. No one is based or discriminated against the religion. हम ना किसी मजहब के नाम पे उसको अलग करेंगे, ना हम किसी को rich और poor होने के नाम पे करेंगे. law के सामने each and every citizen, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, चाहे मुसलमान, चाहे वो अमीर हो, चाहे वो गरीब, each and every person is equal. So these are the basic human rights: right to life and liberty, freedom of thought and expression, equality among law. These are the 3 basic human rights that each and every human have. Question number 5. List 4 rights of children. Now this time is about you, your rights and your responsibility. Although there are so many rights of children, but here we are going to just discuss 4 of them which I like the most and which I think that this is the most basic right of any children, and you should know your rights too. हर बच्चे को, हर citizen को they should know their rights by मतलब ज़बानी याद होनी चाहिए, so that we should know कि हमारे साथ कुछ चीज़ बुरी हो रही है तो हमें उसके अगेंस्ट खड़ा होना आना चाहिए. So these are, every children has right to have an identity, name and nationality. हर बच्चे की अपनी पहचान होती है, उसका खुद का नाम होता है, और वो किस मुल्क में रह रहा उसकी शहरियत उसके पास होनी चाहिए. Number 2, live with a family who cares. यानी कि ऐसी फैमिली के साथ रहना जो उसका ख्याल रखे, the take care of them, the love they are giving to that child. Not you, because you all are living with your family and you all are getting the enough care and everything that you need, mashallah. But the ones who are the beggars, like जो बच्चे street में होते हैं, they have a right to have a family who actually cares for them. If they do not have a family that cares for them, then they should get one. Means उसको state provide करेगा एक अच्छी family, like a foster family. Number 3, have a safe place to live. Means you have, a child has a right to live in a very safe place where they do not feel any threat, they do not fear of anything. वो वहाँ पे full safety के साथ रहें. So they have the right to live in a place with a safe place. Number 4 is have a good quality education. एक अच्छी तालीम हासिल करना हर बच्चे का हक है. It means not only you all are getting, mashallah, you are all getting a really good quality of education, but the ones who are on the street, the ones who are not getting enough education, so they have a right to get a good quality education. These were the 4 main basic rights for children that you need to know. Number 6, what is UDHR? UDHR stands for Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It is a document adopted by the United Nations which states the basic human rights. United Nation एक ऐसी इदारा है which provides all over the world, जितने भी मुल्क के लोग होते हैं उन सब, जितने भी दुनिया के लोग हैं उन सबको ह्यूमन राइट्स, उनके जो हुकूक है, उनके जो राइट्स हैं उनको वो प्रोवाइड करता है. एंड यूडीएचआर उसकी ही एक काइंड ऑफ थिंग है विच स्टैंड्स फॉर यूनिवर्सल डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स. यानी दुनिया भर के जितने भी लोगों के ह्यूमन राइट्स हैं वो यूडीएचआर के अंडर आते हैं. So it's a document adopted by the United Nations which states the basic human rights कि आपकी basic human rights being living in a world क्या है. By this the video ends over here. I hope you all enjoyed this question answer session with me, and I hope to see you all through the physical and live classes. And do take care of yourself. Do not go out because it's a cold season now, and we should take more precautions than ever before, because इससे पहले तो it was the warm weather, but now this is the cold weather which is the full of flu, cold, and you know the coronavirus situation going on. And I want you all to take care of yourself a lot. Please take care of yourself. Do not go out unnecessarily. And till then, I will see you through this live session. And take care of yourself. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Allah Hafiz.